No one wants to deal with a rat infestation, indoors or out. They may seem harmless as long as they are outside, but if your kids play in the yard or you have a garden, these rodents can still cause problems. Rats are known to carry and spread many viruses and bacteria, including the plague. Yes, that plague. While you are very unlikely to get bitten by a plague-infested rat, coming in contact with their droppings can result in becoming ill with salmonella or other types of nasty bacteria. Avoid that risk altogether by adding plants to your landscape that naturally repel rats from your garden. But before that, may I ask to continue to watch this video and subscribe to my channel.
Here are the 10 plants that keep rats away from your garden and will send them running to another residence.
1. Mint is known for its strong scent, which rats find repulsive. Planting mint around the perimeter of your garden or near vulnerable areas can help deter rats from entering. Plus, you'll have fresh mint leaves on hand for culinary use.
2. Lavender. The fragrant aroma is pleasing to humans but detested by rats. Plant lavender bushes along pathways or near entrances to your garden to create a natural barrier that are unlikely to cross.
3. Marigold are not only colorful additions to your garden but also effective rat deterrents. The strong scent of marigold flowers masks the smell of other plants that rats may be attracted to, making them less likely to linger in your garden. 4. Garlic has long been used as a natural pest repellent due to its urgent odor. Planting garlic bulbs around your garden can help keep rats away while providing you with fresh supply of this versatile herb for cooking. 5. Rosemary is another herb with a potent scent that rats find offensive. Incorporating rosemary bushes into your garden's landscape not only adds visual appeal but unwanted rodent visitors. 6. Daffodils has contained toxic compounds that are harmful to rats if ingested. Planting daffodils bulbs throughout your garden can serve as a natural deterrent, as rats are unlikely to consume plants that pose a threat to their health. Catnip is well known for its intoxicating effect on cats, but its scent is also unpleasant to rats. Planting catnip around your garden can help keep rats away while providing a playful distraction for any resident felines.
8. Euphorbia. This plant, also known as spurge, produce a milky sap that is toxic to rats and other rodents. Planting euphorbias around the perimeter of your garden can act as a natural barrier, deterring rats from entering.
9. Wormwood is a bitter herb that rats find unpalatable. Planting wormwood bushes along fences or near entry points can help deter rats while adding a touch of greenery to your garden.
10. Peppermint. It is similar to other mint varieties. Peppermint emits a strong scent that rats dislike. Planting peppermint plants in pots or containers around your garden can help create a rat-free zone while providing you with a refreshing herb for teas and desserts.
Thank you for watching. To God be the glory.